Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching Bruno Mars's top songs, and this one is called Locked Out of Heaven. And it's a great song, very, very catchy one. Hopefully you can't hear these MacBook fans from this Intel chip MacBook. Soon to be upgrading to hopefully one of the M chips, which would hopefully be a lot more silent. But anyway, enough techno babble. Let's look at Locked Out of Heaven, which starts with C up to D minor. Like this. Nice and fast. So you need to know C, I'm starting it on the 5th. That's root, that's first inversion, and that's second inversion. I'm starting it there because I want to play the D minor there, very close. And then the C to B flat is the next one. I'm playing that same C chord, but I'm adding a G on top, doubling it. I have big hands, might be harder for you. You can just play, that's your B flat there, F, B flat, D. Again, I'm starting it on the 5th of the chord, starting it there. And then we play F to G minor. So it's, and that's it. That's your intro. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Play it in time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, That goes around twice, and then we come in with the verse. Never had so much faith. I don't know if I can sing this song in time with the chords. Never had so much faith in love or miracles. Never would have put my heart on the line. I'm getting it. But swimming in your world is something spiritual. I'm born again every time you spend the night. Cause your sex, that's the same again in the pre-chorus. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. That's F to A. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could even play G dominant 7 there. A7, sorry, A dominant 7. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can add the 7 in if you like, or not. Let's do that pre-chorus again, just before. Born again every time you spend the night. Sex takes me to paradise. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. So that's the rhythm there. It's the same rhythm as the verse. Sex takes, cause your sex takes, cause your sex takes me to paradise. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause you make me B flat. Gonna use the pedal. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of G minor heaven. B flat to G minor to F. For too long to C. For too long. B flat, you make me feel like locked out of heaven. For too long. For too long. Whoa, whoa. Come straight in there. For too long. You can play the dominant 7 again there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. You do, bum, bum. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey. Bum, 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 bum. There's a bum, 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 bum. Ooh. You don't have to play that part because it might interfere with your bum, 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 bum. You might miss that. But it's bum, 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 bum. Comes in straight away. Da 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 bum, bum, bum. Bring me to my knees, you make me testify. That's verse 2. And then you make me a sinner, change his ways. Okay. Open up your gates, cause I can't wait to see the light. Bum, 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 bum. And right there is where I want to stay. Stay. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. hold on the G minor there and show. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What is it next? Again, the chorus. Cause you make me feel like you've been locked out of heaven. B flat to G minor for too long. F to C, long. Yeah, you make me feel like locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Okay, F to C. Bridge. Whoa, 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 whoa. Actually, it's half the time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I just stay here? That's B flat, G minor, F. Spend the rest of my days here. Same again. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I just stay here? F to C. Spend the rest of my days here. Chorus again. Made me feel like locked out of heaven for too long. Cause you make me feel like goes around twice for too long. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. And that's how the song ends, with bum, 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 bum. Okay, thank you for watching Between the Keys. That was Locked Out of Heaven. Next up on the channel, it will be Just the Way You Are. I love you just the way you are. Ba-da-dum-bum. It's not that one. That's the classic one. It's Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars, of course, so it's a different one. We'll come to that one soon. And as always, don't forget to click like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, I will see you in the next one. Ciao.